Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Orcad Pspice installed and the parts you need. Now start a new project. Create a schematic project and pick analog or mixed to /D so simulation options are available. Once created, save the project with a clear name and folder. Then import or attach required libraries and models. Make sure component models are compatible with the Pspice engine. Place power rails first so reference nodes exist, then add ground. Without ground, simulations will fail. Now build the schematic. Place components from libraries, rotate and align for clarity, and wire nets logically so node names read easily. Assign values and attach specific simulation models to parts. You want the correct transistor or op-amp behavior. Once wired, add signal probes where you will measure. Next, create a simulation profile. Choose transient, AC sweep, or DC bias. Set runtime, maximum step, and convergence options so results are accurate. Finally, run the simulation and watch the log for immediate warnings or fatal errors. If it completes, load waveforms and use cursors and markers to measure amplitude, phase, and timing. Zoom and overlay traces for comparison. If the solver fails, check the log, add small series resistance to ideal sources, refine time step, or enable stricter convergence limits. Make sure grounds are present and part models are valid. Once stable, document results and iterate designs by changing component values and rerunning simulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.